and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today we have the Rauto Vibe surge suppressor for the RV. This is a 30 amp surge suppressor, and let me tell you, this one is cool. You're going to want to stand by because this one is really cool. All right, so the Rauto Vibe, and I don't know if I'm saying that right. Rauto, R-A-U-T-O, Rauto Vibe. This one, you're going to want this one, guys. If you are a part-time, full-time RVer, somewhere hot where, you know, they charge you for kilowatt hours for your air conditioning and things like that, this one tracks it. So you can check it against what the RV park is charging you. This one actually checks your kilowatt hours against, right? It gives you real-time kilowatt hours per day, per week. Right? I mean, you can tell the park exactly what you're using and compare it against what they're charging you, which I think is awesome, because right now you just got to believe what they're telling you. So this one is awesome. The other thing this can do is this will reset your power after a power outage. You don't have to be there. This one will reset the power. It has an app, so you can pull up your phone at any given time and see what your power draw is. You can see if there's any faults. If you're away from the camper, you know, you can see, is there a power fault? Is there, you know, if there's a storm and you're away from the camper, is my camper still drawing amps? Got a dog in the camper. Is the air conditioning still on? Well, my camper's still drawing amps, so yes, the air conditioning's still on. It's a great little double check on things like that. This is a great little tool. So hey, you know what? We are full-time RVers out here in the Texas oil patch. We live on a generator, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you how we put this in. It's super simple. If you're an RVer, you know that already. But if not, if you're a beginner, let's show you how you put that in, shall we? So just like a pedestal in an RV park, it's the same exact thing. We're at the generator here. So I'm going to have to disconnect the power right here. So I just disconnected the power from my trailer. This is the power going to my trailer. This is my current surge suppressor. Just going to disconnect that. Plug this into my new Rauto surge suppressor. Plug my new surge suppressor into. And then restore power. Now you can see your green lights. You got green and your surge suppressor. That yellow light means your surge suppressed. You got green lights all the way along. Very nice. So now let's take a look at the app. So we are Bluetooth connecting now to our app. So due to our tough environment out here, and that where our trailer is quite a bit a ways away and our router is a ways away from the unit, we could not Bluetooth from our router to the unit. So we could not use the app. So we cannot show you the app, but I looked at the app. The app looks really cool. You can see the kilowatts and things like that. Unfortunately, I cannot show you that function, but the controller is working awesome, and the app looks awesome. I just can't show you the function of those apps, that app, unfortunately. But go out and buy one of these today. If you're in a RV park with Wi-Fi, not out in the Texas hot zone with a generator that's 100 feet away from your trailer, it's going to work fine. Just we're in some pretty unusual conditions out here. Go out and get one today. What's going on here? It'll tell you, here's the codes that you might see. See that they're green, which means up here at the top, if you have two green, that means we have correct wiring. And The voltage is 119. So we're good to go. So folks, unfortunately, our router, we're out here in the Texas oil patch, is too far away from the power trailer. We tried to keep that power trailer quite a ways away from our RV. So the router cannot speak to that Rauto surge suppressor. So I cannot show you the actual app. Unfortunately, I cannot do that. But I can tell you that app is so full of great things that you would use in a normal RV situation. We are not in a normal RV situation. In a normal RV park where you would have your power pedestal right next to the trailer, right next to your Wi-Fi, that app would do all of the things that would be wonderful to used, kilowatts used, whether you had a fault or not. All of those things would be reflected in the app. So go out and get your Rauto Vibe today.